In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a portfolio and style it. We'll walk through creating a clean, professional portfolio using Squarespace's guided setup, and I'll share simple tips along the way so your site looks polished from the start. Begin by opening Squarespace and clicking Create Website. This launches the onboarding flow that builds the structure for you. When you're asked what your site is about, choose the option that best matches a portfolio or your creative field. Picking a close match helps the builder suggest layouts and sections that fit your work. Click Next to continue. You'll now see a prompt about what you want to do with your website. Select the goal that aligns with showcasing your work, such as presenting projects, attracting clients, or booking inquiries. The choices you make here influence the initial pages and features, so choose what supports how you plan to use your portfolio. Click Next. Select the AI Website Builder. This tool quickly assembles a starter site based on your inputs. It won't lock you in, you can customize later, so think of it as a helpful head start. Enter your site title. This can be your name, your studio name, or a concise brand title. Keep it clear and memorable. Next, choose a brand personality. Options typically range from minimal and modern to bold and expressive. Pick the tone that reflects your style and the clients you want to attract. Click Next. You'll be prompted to add pages to your site. Select the essentials for a portfolio: a home page, a projects or portfolio page, an about page, and a contact page. If you plan to publish articles or updates, you can include a blog as well. Fewer, well-organized pages often make a stronger first impression. Click Next. Choose a color palette. Aim for 2 to 3 core colors: a background, an accent, and a highlight. Neutral backgrounds with one strong accent color work well for portfolios because they let your work stand out. Click Next. Choose a font pairing. Look for a clear, readable body font and a distinctive but professional heading font. Consistent typography is key to a cohesive brand feel, so pick something you can stick with across your materials. Click Finish. The system will generate your site, and it may take a moment. When it's done, you'll have a solid starting point with your chosen pages, colors, and fonts. From here, you can begin adding your images, project descriptions, and contact details, knowing the overall look and structure are already in place.